How to get soft feather legs. Do you fall in love by feeling of smooth legs, but don't want to make it heavy on pocket by going spa? Today we are gonna tell you a secret. Shh! How to make your legs sexy and attractive. The process can be done easily in home. Let's do it. Our legs are an important part of human body. They need attention too, but most of the time they are neglected, which results in breakdown and dullness of skin. When such legs are shaved without scrubbing, it makes them rough and dry patches appear on skin. Ingredients: coconut oil, essential oil, sugar, lemon. Process: take a bowl, add 1 cup white sugar, add half cup coconut oil in solid state in bowl. Add any essential oil for fragrance. Lastly, add 3 to 4 tablespoons freshly extracted lemon juice. Mix all ingredients nicely. A nice thick foam-like texture of scrub will appear. It will be more fun if you mix with hands. Once done, put scrub in glass mason jar. Bravo! Our super easy sugar scrub is ready to do magic. Let's begin. The best place to use this scrub is none other than showering place. It's advisable to not use scrub in bathtub because you will get headache by looking at your mess in tub. So just soak your legs in lukewarm water for good 8 to 10 minutes. Get legs and then be ready to say bye to dull, itchy skin of legs. Apply scrub on legs and exfoliate skin gently. Make moves on skin. Be soft, don't rush, otherwise you will harm your skin. You can see dead skin cells are getting removed and lying down on surface of floor. Massage your legs. If your skin is very sensitive, you can replace white sugar with brown sugar, as it's more refined and chances of irritation caused by it are minimum. Use disposable razor to shave your legs after scrubbing. Again, don't do this in hurry. Take your time, otherwise you will get cuts on skin which we don't want. Regularly clear your razor for hygiene. It's better to use disposable razor. You can just throw it in dustbin after use to avoid accumulation of germs on it. After removing hair, if you want, you can use scrub again in order to get more soft skin. Again, scrub following cleaning your legs with less chemical soap. Voila! You will witness never seen before hot legs with zero ingrown hair, dead cells and breakouts. It's time to apply soothing lotion to your legs and feel like a queen. You are going to love this easy homemade sugar scrub and get rid of expensive ones available in the market. It's better to use scrub twice a month for continuous smooth texture. Best thing about the scrub is it's free from chemicals. All things are natural in it. Lemon will result in whitening of skin and oil will regulate blood circulation in skin, making it glowy. Sugar will remove bacterial accumulation on skin and dirt, making it smooth and feel like a feather. This scrub can be stored in fridge. Place the mixture in jar. Lid should be tightly closed. Take out a scoop when you need to scrub. Don't put hand inside it. Use a spoon to take out needful quantity. Also, don't take jar with you in shower and then place back in fridge. It will act as germs carrier which we need to avoid. Try this scrub made simply from home ingredients and let us know the results. We hope you will never go to spa for getting a scrub when you can make your own scrub in home with simple ingredients. Do give your feedback. We would love to hear your experience. Stay tuned to Zupex for more amazing stuff. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon. Do like, comment and share.